What if I told you that in 2025, you don't need millions of subscribers to start making real money on YouTube? Some creators are earning hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month with under 1,000 subscribers. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how YouTube monetization works in 2025, how to qualify, how much creators really earn, and how you can start making money from your channel as fast as possible. Let's get into it. How YouTube pays creators in 2025. Before we talk about money, you need to understand one important thing. To earn directly from YouTube, you must join the YouTube Partner Program, also known as YPP. In 2025, YouTube has two monetization levels: the lower tier, early monetization, and the full partner program, ad revenue unlock. Let's break them down. Level 1, early monetization, lower tier requirements. This is where most creators can start earning their first income from YouTube. To qualify, you need 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, plus one of the following: 3,000 public watch hours in 12 months, or 3 million shorts views in 90 days. Once you hit these numbers, you can apply, and once accepted, monetization begins. Now here's what you unlock. 1. Super Chat, to get paid while live streaming. If you live stream, viewers can pay to highlight their messages in your chat. Example, someone donates $5, $10, or $50, and their message stays pinned and glowing in your live chat. This is huge for gaming streams, reaction videos, Q&A sessions, podcast-style live streams. Some streamers make hundreds per stream using Super Chat alone. 2. Super Stickers, fun donations that pay. This is similar to Super Chat, but instead of text, viewers send animated stickers with money attached. Great for entertainment creators, family-friendly content, gaming creators, music live streams. It makes donating fun and profitable. 3. Super Thanks, to get paid on regular videos. This is extremely powerful. Viewers can tip you directly on normal videos even when you're not live. Example, someone watches your tutorial, learns something valuable, clicks Super Thanks, and sends you $2, $5, or $20 as appreciation. This is passive income from your old content. 4. Channel memberships, monthly recurring income. This is basically YouTube's built-in Patreon. You create membership tiers like $2.99 per month, $4.99 per month, $9.99 per month, and offer perks like exclusive videos, private live streams, members-only Discord, behind-the-scenes content, early access to uploads. Example, if just 100 members pay $5 a month, that's $500 per month recurring income. This is how small creators build stable monthly revenue. 5. YouTube Shopping, sell products directly on YouTube. If supported in your country, you can connect Shopify or other platforms and sell digital products, merch, courses, templates, presets, AI prompts. Your products appear under your videos and live streams, turning YouTube into a full sales machine. How much does YouTube take? For Super Chats, stickers, Super Thanks, memberships, you keep 70%, YouTube takes 30%, which is one of the best revenue splits in the entire creator economy. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want a part 2, comment down below part 2. Let's meet on another video.